Hello guys, welcome back to our Creationz. It's a pleasure to have you all join me here once again. Coming up in today's video, I'll share with you how to fix a faulty pen drive. This is fixed with Alpha. If you wish to learn more, stick around. So getting right on today's video, first we open our File Explorer. With our File Explorer opened, we insert our faulty disks into our PC. There's our faulty disks right labeled up here. If you click through this, that's what it gives you. That means nothing can be copied onto this specific drive. And if you check carefully, there's no volume attached to this USB drive. And when I speak of volume, this is what I mean by volume. Looking at the disk space right here, and the same on this one too. So to fix this problem, first, hold the Windows key and the letter X. Navigate through all the way to disk management. With disk management opened, looking at the letterhead of our disk, with what we have here, the letterhead of this disk is F. Same compared to this one here, it's F. So this is the target disk we're going to work on. To fix this problem, first, right-click through this disk, go to New Simple Volume. Click through Next, Next, then Next. Right on here with the volume name, you could change the name of the disk. Let's name our disk Subscribe. Then we click through Next. Then we finish. Our new disk is currently available. All we need to do is just refresh the page, and that's what we have right on here. Now on this disk, we can copy our files onto the disk, and we have this disk as a healthy disk now. Once again, and as always, thank you so much for watching.